Hi, my name is Pete, and this is a SketchUp tutorial for Sandbox. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here is get our Sandbox tutorial from Fuel Tool Palettes and Sandbox. Once we've done that, we have 7 tools from Contour from Scratch: Smooth, Stamp, Drape, Add Detail, and Flip Edge. Now we're going to choose the From Scratch tool and draw a rectangle. Double click on the rectangle and use the Smooth tool. Pull up and push down to change the terrain. You can change as much terrain or as little terrain as you want to make it as detailed as you need it. Now we're just going to make a quick house to show you how to use the stamp tool. Okay, so now we're going to make this a group and drag it over the top of our terrain model. And then bring it up vertically from the surface. Now we're going to make sure our building is selected, and we're going to choose the stamp tool from the tools and then select the terrain. As you can see, our stamp kind of shows up here, and we can align it where we want it with the ground, and then drop our building right down using the move tool. Now I'm going to show you how to use the drape tool. We're going to draw a horizontal line off the building as we've done here. And we're going to select the drape tool and then select the terrain model. And as you can see, that line has been draped across the terrain model. This adds more detail to the terrain, and you can customize it more or less as you want. Now we're going to choose the Add Detail tool. This allows us to break up any square and turn it into 2 triangles. You can break them up individually and push-pull them up and down, or not really push-pull them, but pull them up and down. To add more detail to your terrain model. Now we're going to select the Flip Edge tool, and we're going to this flip edge tool just allows you to flip any edge over itself 180 degrees. Now we have sort of a finished terrain model with a small house on it. Now we're going to use the From Contour tool. This is useful for getting a terrain model from a bunch of contour lines. These I've just drawn with the freehand drawing in SketchUp and drag them vertically. Now we're going to select all of them and choose the From Contours tool. It's going to take a second to load here, but when we're done, it's going to have all of the properties of a terrain model that we would have drawn from scratch, but following our contour lines. Hope you've enjoyed this tutorial today. Thank you for watching.